Hey everybody, it's Todd. It's end of May here and it's almost 90 degrees out, and I thought I'd take you a little trip today with me on we did a little fishing at a small lake here in Ohio. It's top secret, so I can't tell you guys, or I'd have to kill you probably. So, but I will show you some pictures of the fish trip with my one of my co-workers that also is retired. Dale and I, we do a lot of fishing together, and we decided to take a day off and do some policy and keep our social distance from everybody, and just went on a boat ride and caught some crappie today. So I'll show you how I clean our crappie. We caught about 30 of them today, so I'll show you how I skin my fish. And if you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and add them. But it was a great day fishing, and I thought I'd share this with you. Thanks everyone. Take care. Bye. There's a nice little slab of meat. And that is what we'll fry up. Just follow that spine, follow that rib cage, and make sure you don't get any of the bones in the meat. And then flay it on down. And just do the opposite on the other side. Hey everyone, now you're probably wondering, Todd, what are you going to do with all those dead fish and fish guts? Well, we're going to use it for plant food. So what I do after I catch some fish, I dig a hole and next to the plants and stuff, and I put the fish skins and guts and all the water in next to the plants. And over time, that breaks down and the plants just love it. So not only will we eat from the fish, but so will the plants. Thanks everyone.